How to make your Facebook account private. So go open your Facebook application. In this homepage, click on the menu icon here on the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. These additional options will show, so now click on Privacy shortcut. After that, go to see More Privacy Settings. Make sure to change this Who can see your future posts to your friends. Go to this Limit Who can see past posts. Change these two options to friend only as well. After that, scroll down to the How people can contact you and who can send you friend requests. Make this Friends of Friends. Make these three options below to friends only as well. Lastly, turn off this toggle for do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile. So that is how to make your Facebook account private. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.